Okay, so welcome back, guys. We are going to look at something beautiful in this very module. We are going to be looking at how to navigate through the WordPress dashboard. Remember, in the last tutorial, we looked at what WordPress is. We looked at the different versions of WordPress, and then we looked at what WordPress is and how easy it is to use WordPress. So in this tutorial, we are going to be looking at how to navigate through WordPress dashboard. And our specific objective is to understand the Elementor builder and to have an overview of the WordPress dashboard. Okay, so let's go straight to business. Okay, from what you can see here, you can see an overview of WordPress dashboard. We have here WordPress dashboard menu. We have WordPress at a glance. We have the screen option. We have the welcome, quick draft, and WordPress news. Okay, this dashboard menu contains different angle sections we can use, or tools that we can use for building and developing our website, such as the media, the page, the appearance for the themes, the plugins, and the rest of them. So these are different tools that we can use for developing our WordPress dashboard. And here we have WordPress at a glance. It just contains the stuff that WordPress have released and other stuff that you are doing all together on your website. Okay, we're going to look at this in real time, so just stay with me. Okay, so if we look at this dashboard here, you see this is our dashboard menu, and it contains the post, it contains the media, the pages, the comments, the appearance, the plugin, user tools, and the rest of them. Okay, so anytime you want to create a new post, all you need to do is to come to this post and then add new post. But for this post section, we have 4 different sections. This is where you can find all the posts that you have made so far. This is where you can add up a new post. This is where you can see different post categories, and then you can find different tags here. Same with the media. The media contains all that has to do with your WordPress media. When we talk about the media, we're talking about the pictures, the videos, the articles, and the rest of them. Name them. Okay, we can find all of them right here in the media. Okay, and then in WordPress we have pages and we have posts. In the course of the tutorial, I'm going to explain the difference between pages and posts. But to create a new page, all you have to do is to come to this page and click add page. Add new rather. Okay, but if you've already created a series of pages, you can come to this all pages, and you'll be able to find all the pages that you have created so far. It's as simple as that. Okay, then if people are making comments on your page, people are making comments on your post, you can find them right here. And the appearance has to do with the theme, the particular theme you are using, and how to customize your theme widgets, menus, header, background, and the rest of them. Okay, as you can see, I already have a theme I have installed, which we are going to use for this particular tutorial. The theme is Hastia option. Okay, and here we can also find the plugins, all the plugins that we've installed. We can pass through this section rather, and add new plugins. Okay, and also edit our plugins. We're going to talk about the users, and in the course of this tutorial, maybe in the next 2 or 3 videos, we're still going to talk about the tools and settings and the rest of them. But before we go, the users, this is where you can add users as admin, editor, or the rest of them. They play different roles. Okay, they play different roles. It's very simple. Once you add a new user, the user will be notified through his or her email, and according to the user role. Let me just show us this. For instance, now if I come to this place and say add new, okay, you can see username required, email required. All I have to do is to put the person's name, or the username that the person will use for logging in, and then I will also add the person's email, first name and last name, website. Then I'll generate a password for the person, and I will add the person either as an administrator. Administrator means the person can have all access, person can do everything that I can do, person can add, remove, person can make new posts, do anything at all. Person have all access, person have all privilege. Okay, so but editor can just write content or stuff like that, and a contributor can just contribute to the content. A subscriber just receives he receives updates when we have new posts or new stuff done on the website. So when we are done, you just click add new user, and that's it. Okay, so this is the beauty of WordPress. You can manage your content from different persons. Okay, you can have your content, your website being worked on by different persons. All you have to do is to just add them as new user and place their role. Okay, then add new user, that's just it. And once you do that, the person will receive a notification, and that's it. Person can go ahead, install WordPress, and use the username and the password you give the person, log in, and go ahead to work on your website wherever he or she is. Okay, so that is where I'm going to be calling it a day. That's just a quick overview on the WordPress dashboard. I believe you learned something. I believe you enjoyed this video, so stick around. In the next video, we're going to look at the WordPress media, how to add new videos, how to add images, how to add audios, and the rest of them to our WordPress media. So thank you very much, and see you in the next tutorial.